Regarding the broken-hearted, the first question you need to ask yourself is not about you. It's about someone else. When they are broken-hearted, what role have you played to break their heart? Did you hear what I just said? Many people are sitting saying, oh, I'm broken-hearted. But how many hearts have you broken? Subhanallah. And when I say how many hearts have you broken, I'm not talking of love stories here. We're talking of how difficult have you made the lives of others. Some of us are rotten when it comes to our character. Astaghfirullah. Some of us misbehave. Some of us, the way we speak to others is very rude. We don't make life easy for them. Do you think Allah is going to make life easy for you? كَانَ اللَّهُ فِي عَوْنِ الْعَبْدِ مَا كَانَ الْعَبْدُ فِي عَوْنِ أَخِيهِ. Allah will continue to help a slave for as long as that slave continues to help another. The opposite is true. When you make someone's life difficult, don't think that your life is going to be made any easy. No matter how powerful you are, no matter who you are, it is going to come for you.